hang out with you guys. We're gonna come over here and hang out with you guys. What's that, officer? I couldn't hear you. Did he say something to me? I can't hear what he's saying. That I need to stop? Okay, I can't hang out with you? Okay, check this out. Do you believe in the Constitution? Okay. Okay, well, if you want me to leave CSU property. So if I have permission to be here, Liberty Bird, permission to enter Rampart is the bill.
Hey, give it a second. Give it a second. We're going to talk to somebody else. Just hold on.
The yelling always just amps me up.
Oh, yeah, and you know what? I'm getting amped up because I'm tired of my fucking rights being violated.
But Matt, if you want to grab the orders,
violated. CSU is not going to be getting my business because you guys have been fucking up. It's my opinion. You're refusing to investigate. Go look at the permission I have.
Let's stop arguing with this guy. Okay. Can you pull out your phone? Can I show you?
Excellent.
Not at this time, because right now I'm in the middle of an investigation.
Well, I'm trying to give you the information to investigate. That's all.
Here you go.
Officer Snyder has already given you guys direct orders that you're under arrest, and we're going to exclusionary orders. Once that's done, I would love to look at the information you have.
Sure.
One thing at a time.
Okay, so my question is that being that I have not been asked to ever leave CSU property, I've only been asked to leave federally owned property, according to Officer Lafayette, the CDC, Sergeant Peterson, and everybody else. So that being said, are you asking me to not be here on CSU property now, even though I have expressed permission to do so?
You're not supposed to be here. So
I'm not supposed. How am I not supposed to be here? I have permission to be here. How am I doing that? I have permission.
No reason to argue. Grab the paper.
Yeah, no reason to argue because I have permission. You can't take away my permission. It's not remaining unless I'm asked to leave CSU property, right? Last time it's federal.
So I wasn't here last time.
Well, guess what? Last time I was cited for that address right there, even though I never entered into that address. I was on your guys' property, but they trespassed me from that location. I never received a trespass or a trespass warning for this property. If you want to get me on remaining, you have to give me a warning to leave, and I will happily walk away. How about that?
Well, what Officer Snyder is going to give you is standard CSU exclusionary order.
And that says what?
It is going to say you're banned from CSU property.
Even though I have permission.
But it is appealable. So if you have permission, all you have to do is go through the form, appeal the decision, and it can be revoked.
And that's through the school. That's not any legal of consequence.
Right.
So what you're telling me right now is that I'm being asked to leave CSU property, and that's what you guys are going to make official. Correct. Okay, excellent. Well, until we're there, I'm going to continue to record this.
But sir, right now you are under arrest, so I need you to stay this. No, right here, please. Right here. Everyone in the circle. Okay, so feel free to record.
My location.
Right now you are
legally being detained once again. Even though so you looked up the permission that I have to be here, and then this conversation.
This is a joke.
What do you mean? No, time out. No, you can't trespass me if I have permission. And what I'm saying is go look at
that is why they're a cop.
You cannot stop my right to film in public here on campus. In fact, the video that's on. Hey,
sorry, give me a second.
Sure. The video.
Arrest right now, so to place you under arrest, okay?
No, you're not. No, you're not. Get away from me. I have permission, sir. Get away from me.
I'm just backing away.
Sit down since I don't want. No weapons on you, anything like that.
Oh.
Any weapons on you?
No weapons at all.
No weapons.
Get your sergeant out. Get your sergeant out. Then you wait till then. Then you stop where you're at. Then you stop where you're at. You stop fucking around.
This is CSU police, guys. He says, don't take another step to me. I will defend myself. CSU. So it's Colorado State University Police.
You're about to see some AFA action here in a second, man.
You want me to take the rest of your shit?
Sure.
34 seconds, That's the thing, sir. If you want, put your cameras in the angle.
You're taking a fighting stance with me. What am I supposed to do?
I'm on the ground. I'm not doing anything.
Go ahead and turn around for me, though, just so I don't have to worry about you. I'm going to place you in handcuffs for my safety. All right, go ahead. Hands behind your back.
Here, can I put this down on the ground and stand it up, please?
Go ahead, stand up.
Here, look. I don't want any problems with you.
I get it. 34.
Come on, can I just sit right here?
Matt! Matt! Just relax. Leave him for a second. All right, just enough for weapons.
I got holsters.
Holster? Any gun?
Nope.
Knife like that? Anything like that?
Nope, don't bring nothing on the school property, sir.
Cool. All right, go and stand up for me. I'm going to put you just in the back of the car. I'll leave your cameras right there.